Okay, we're at the Eflite UMX Beast V2. Awesome little plane. Stuck on a weed. It's windy. It's gonna be the UMX Beast windy flight. See how it goes. Not bad. Sorry about the sun, guys. Get a hover out of her. Oh, we're getting a kite, not quite a hover. Wind blows it back pretty good. I'll bring it up here and we'll go snap, bottom corners. No, it didn't work. I'm going to snap there. This thing's awesome. I'm wanting to climb like crazy right now. Might be the wind. Full blast, high speed pass. Not very fast. The pits will eat this thing alive. Haven't had that out in a bit either. Wind's bother it, doesn't want to do a knife edge. Over the sun. Nice low pass. Wind it up, wind it back. Tastes pretty good in this wind. It's not that strong. I'd say 15 km/h wind. This is pretty awesome. Oh, do those all day long. That's cool. Trying to keep it out of the sun for you guys. That rudder is so sensitive. Uh-oh. Landing time. Thank God. So much for my little runway. I'm going to destroy that. Well, that's the UMX the Beast. It's a cool little plane. If you can find one, I suggest you get one. The thing's an absolute blast. I thought my wing was a blast in my 3D Mustang. No, this plane's pretty cool. Alright, that's it for now. Fingers are cold, toes are warm for a change. A little footage in there. Alright, leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Share, hit the notification button.